US Navy beamed its message, will deliver brides on a one-way passage. It made big news across the nation. The bridal train leaves from Perth Station. All the girls around Australia married to a Yankee sailor. The fare is paid across the sea to the home of the brave and the land of the free. From west to east the young girls came, all aboard the bridal train. It was a farewell crossing of her land. She's going to meet her sailor man. No time for sad goodbyes. She held her mother as she cried, and then waited there in the Frio rain to climb aboard the bridal train. Well, she was holding a future in her hand, a faded photo of a man. Catch a sailor if you can. No bride leaves her southern land. All the girls around Australia married to a Yankee sailor. The fare is paid across the sea to the home of the brave and the land of the free. From west to east the young girls came, all aboard the bridal train. It was a farewell crossing of her land. She's going to meet her sailor man. This is the story of those starry nights, through desert plains and city lights, through burning sun and driving rain. She went aboard the bridal train.